Hey guys, welcome back to the Day Daily. So today we are going to be doing the team who can find the most fidgets. By the way, our team name is the Peril and Daryl team. So now it is me and Cooper's turn. Our team is the Jazz team or the sports team, whatever one. And I think we're gonna win. And because I personally know where the fidgets are. Yeah, he says he knows. So, yep, hopefully we get good luck and
it'll be a fight to the death.
A
fight to the death of fidgets.
Yeah.
We're gonna win.
No, we are.
Peril and Daryl for life.
Yes, Peril and Daryl for life. Here are the rules. So we're going to Target. And we're going in one aisle. We get 5 minutes to go in one aisle to find fidgets, and then I think we'll go to the next aisle, and then we'll probably start first because they might like follow us, so we'll probably start first.
You have 5 minutes to search anywhere.
Oh, anywhere. So yeah, I think we know where they are, cause yeah. So Team Peril and Daryl in comments on my Instagram, which is the data. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Woo, woo, woo. We're here in Target. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do this video for a while now, so I'm really excited. And if this video gets 5,000 likes, and then we'll do part 2. So,
Sports team.
hello. Yeah, we're gonna win. Comment in Cason's Kid TV Instagram that me and Cooper are gonna win sports team for sure, to be honest with you.
We found the perfect trophy for the winner. You are the best.
That's ours. That is our trophy.
ours.
They
That's
don't
ours.
belong
Because
guys,
Jazz
look,
I'm matching with it anyways, so
that
We'll
makes
see who
sense.
wins. The cup.
yeah.
All right, the girls are getting 5 minutes. You guys ready?
Yep.
Ready, set,
Go. Does this count as a fidget?
I don't know if this is a fidget.
Yeah, it does, because I've seen people have these as fidgets. So. Where are they? I don't know. They're like disappeared.
You said you knew where they were.
Are you sure?
Tick-tock.
Okay, we got this.
Slime.
Yeah.
3 minutes left.
So there's like no fidgets here. Like, can't find any. Look!
Oh.
Perfect.
What other kind of fidgets are there?
There's like needles.
There's like squishies.
Squishies.
There's gotta be squishies. There's like nothing.
Wait.
Might have to look at Walmart too.
Yeah, because there's like no fidgets here.
Yeah.
Squishy. It's weird squishy, but it's a squishy. Oh my gosh. It's the weirdest squishy in the world I've ever seen. Not sure what else. Let's go back over here.
We need fidget spinners. I don't think they have them.
10, 9, 8,
Run.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out of time.
What else is there?
Wait.
Okay, let's see. No.
You can't do
Back.
that.
Time is up.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what you got.
There's literally no fidgets here, so we got just the weirdest squishy in the world.
Hold on 1 second.
It's a really, really weird dog.
Okay, let's see it.
I don't know what the heck that is, but
Disturbing.
we gotta pop it, of course. We got, these are so cool though.
Those are cool. Those are kids.
Okay, we gotta, actually let's go where they can't see our stuff. Okay.
We got this.
Butter bucket, and we got putty. But that's literally like all we could find. Like,
So I might have to do a round 2 at Walmart.
yeah,
Yeah.
round 2 because there's like barely any fidgets here.
Hey boys, you ready?
Yes, tell us when we can go.
And go. We're gonna put the Walmart.
Play-Doh. Wait, does Play-Doh count?
No, I don't think Play-Doh counts.
It's okay, Jason. You can extend.
Probably slime and putty too.
Wait. Rubik's Cube 2x2. Rubik's Cube 3x3. Wait,
For 2x2, perfect.
I want kind of want a 2x2. Wait, what is that? The Rubik's Cube Impossibles are so hard.
Good find.
Did this count?
Nope, that's
No,
me.
that's a game.
Keep looking.
That's it.
Nope. Squishy would be.
Squishy, huh? I can't believe I found this again.
No.
Yeah.
Where did they get all this?
Wait, Cooper. I want to see if there's any in here, because usually there could be like toys in here and stuff.
Oh, pop it! Oh, pop it! Yes.
Put that in here. Put that in here.
Almost out of time, boys. 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Oh my, I can't find anything. Is there any puppets? Shout.
We might have to look at Walmart too, huh?
Yeah. There's not much fidget toys here. The big snatched all of them.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just grab the Rubik's Cube Impossible, dude.
Okay, that is so crazy.
So you guys already have the Rubik's cubes.
They're all different kinds though.
Yeah, but it's
This is the impossible. Let's get the 2x2.
This is the normal, and this is the 2x2.
2x2.
Yeah. Wait, can we keep the impossible one? Because these are really like limited edition. These are like really weird.
Okay, let's go count.
Okay, let's go see. Alright.
Wait, they can't get 2 Rubik's Cubes? No, they're different
One,
kinds.
this one's the limited edition Rubik's Cube Impossible.
Okay, so they found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, we lost.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh,
It's a tie.
it's a tie game.
Wait, can I try that, Daya?
Yeah. But you guys didn't find this because we got the last one.
So you guys got different things. You didn't find the Rubik's cube.
No,
They
we
did.
didn't check
Well,
on like theirs.
I actually saw it, but I think I didn't like just think of it. You guys get stretched out slime?
They got slime.
We got Butter Bucket.
They got slime. They got putty and squishy.
It's
You
fine.
guys
Look at
got-
this. This is the weirdest squishy ever. But we found it. It's kind of creepy, to be honest with
I
you.
know.
All right, you guys. So we are at Walmart. Walfart? Not Walmart right now. So we have a strategy, you guys. Okay. Shh, don't tell anybody. So we're gonna let the boys go first because then we can see what fidgets they get, and then we know where they go and stuff.
And we'll know where they go.
Yeah. So we have a good strategy there.
And we used our brains. See, that's why you gotta vote for Team Harold and Daryl.
So we're probably gonna go over to kind of like the toy slime-ish section. I'm not really sure where we're gonna go right now, but yeah, we'll see. But I think we have a good strategy.
So the rules are you can't get anything that you've already got.
Okay.
Okay, so
I feel like that'd be kind of easy. Cause like it wasn't big.
okay, you're gonna have 5 minutes to look for anything that you didn't find already. Okay.
Okay. 5 minutes.
Set. Ready, boys?
Yes.
All right, set, go.
Go.
From Fidget Toys.
Some.
Does this count?
Yeah.
Yes, those are squishies.
You guys
Squishies
have
are different.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Oh gosh. What is this? Slime, dang it. Fidget toy? Yeah, fidget toy. Can you count? Fidget toy? Yeah, true. I'm gonna
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oops. Wait, is this a fidget toy?
Nope. All right, let's see what you got.
We got 2 things. #4.
So you got
We got mochis.
squishy.
They're mochis. And then there's monkey noodles.
Nice. So you guys found 4.
Not bad.
They're gonna find like everything.
Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Set.
Oh, dude,
Go.
these even glow in the dark.
Okay, let's look. Mochis here. Mochis. Oh. This is so awesome. So we already have 3 things.
We have monkey noodles, kinetic sand, and mochis.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
So.
Crap.
We already won
We won! Yes! We have 7 things.
Okay, so we got some Orbeez,
We have,
monkey noodles,
and then we have a slinky. We have kinetic sand. We have like these
crazy
things.
bands, and
The
mochis.
emojis.
They're glow in the dark mochis too. So here's all the stuff we got. So we got a butter bucket. We got crazy bands. We got
Whoa.
we got mochis. We got
got-
kinetic sand and amazing putty.
And then we got monkey noodles. We got Orbeez. We got a slinky, and we got a poppet.
Nice.
So
You guys, yeah.
I got a Rubik's 2x2. Since we lost our kinetic sand, this is what we're using for it. And then we got
Good.
we got mochis that glow in the dark, and we also got a slinky. We got a Squishmallows with stretchy slime, and then we got a poppet and some monkey noodles.
Nice. And if you're wondering why Casey's partner looks a little different,
It's because he had to go get a haircut, and then we had to pick up this little buddy.
And also we have the Rubik's Cube Impossible, except my other friend got to keep it, so he got to keep one of them. He wanted that one.
And we have a very special thing.
squishy you've ever seen.
And it's the worst squishy ever. It's really bad.
So the winner goes to the
We just want to thank you all so much for watching this.
All right. I guess you guys are all winners though because you all get toys.
Yeah. But we won that you're the best.
Open them up and play them.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna open. Oh yeah, let's open that up together.
So we're opening this up together because we really want to open it.
Okay, so this is the poppet. It's a good poppet. ASMR.
Oh my
That's the
god.
bad side, you guys.
Hang on, I need to go to the good side.
Oh. Such a good poppet. Let's open this butter bucket.
Feel it so much.
Butter bucket.
Yeah.
You're a butter bucket.
Yeah. Daya.
Baby bottle.
What you got, bud?
How do you open this?
Rubik's Cube 2x2.
Well, now.
I'm using an algorithm to resolve it.
Okay, guys, you want to see the best part?
Yeah.
We're gonna open the cute little.
Oh, he's something.
With a pizza neck thing.
Bandana.
Yeah,
This is really cool. I mean, it's not
Now
the
I'm
worst
gonna open
squishy in the
the
world,
monkey
but.
noodles. Oh, I'm gonna open them.
Yeah.
They're so stretchy.
Right here. Yeah. You can keep this.
Whoa.
These are the big
Guys, these are so stretchy.
Yeah,
So I'm keeping these two.
and I'm keeping these two.
Because blue's my favorite color and yellow's my second.
And I like pink, and I
Oh
kind of like
my
green.
gosh, it's so cool.
blue one too.
Yeah.
I want to keep a blue one too.
Well, they're gonna be here for you all the time.
Oh, this has
Whoa.
I'm going to
Oh, look at
open
this
these
big
mochis.
slinky.
Whoa, I have one.
Ow, Sway.
I have one of those, and guess what? I have one of those things, and guess what?
You do?
Mochis. This one's, I don't really know what this one is.
No.
But I got a pink one and a yellow one.
Oh my gosh.
See, we got the same ones too.
They're so cute.
Look.
They're so squishy and
We got the same ones.
Nice.
Yep. I'm gonna open the poppet.
These are cool, you guys.
Oh my god, it feels so
This is so
good.
Don't you get that on my couch. Or it'll be
Listen to
dangerous.
this. Listen. Oh my gosh, this feels so good.
This is the best.
We'll split it. Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah, get some. It smells like blueberries.
When we go in dark one,
Oh.
these light up.
Or like
Do
blue
they?
raspberries.
I don't
I
know. You have to go
don't,
check.
yeah.
Go check in the pantry
What?
if they light up.
Oh yeah. Guys, this is the best filling
Guys,
slime ever.
look.
Look and watch the stretch. It's so cool. It's so soft and it smells like blue raspberry.
Oh, you're getting some right there.
Uh-oh.
They actually light up. They actually light up.
Let's see.
Come on.
Whoa, that's cool.
Whoa, look, the pink turned yellow.
That's cool.
Awesome.
And the yellow turns green.
That's
This
cool.
one, this turns green.
That's a big slime.
Wait, ready? Stretch.
I want to stretch it.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
My hand smells so good now.
No, don't eat it.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Disaster.
No.
We're so honored that we won. We love it. We love it. But we love all these fidgets we got. They're so
good.
worth it, you guys.
Yeah.
All of these none of them were bad. Like
This is probably the thing that I would
The
go get
best.
the most.
yeah. And this one was from Target. But yeah, we found awesome fidgets, these huge little monkey noodles.
And if you really like this.
Very terrifying dog.
We'll put this on eBay. I'm just kidding. But anyways, so we are gonna go get in our swimsuits because on Kason's channel we actually have a swim party that's going on, an outdoor summer swim party. So make sure to go check out his channel.
I have a blue net. I have blue net. I have a blue net.
Go check out his channel, Kason's Kid TV, and check out there because we're gonna be having an awesome fun party. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if we get to 5,000 likes, I will do a part 2 to this, because it was really fun. So yeah, thank you guys so much for. She just dropped the trophy.
I'm sorry, guys.
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.
I mixed up my Rubik's Cube already.
Actually pretty cool.
Bye.